Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, ano ba simulan ko? So, as you can see, yung last kong vlog ay nung February or January. Ayun, basta around dun sa months na yun. Yun pa yung last. Yun yung LS days, CRS days, pati mga practices namin sa Prime. And then ngayon, August na, sa loob ng 7 months, ngayon 2025, sobrang, roller coaster ride again. But, mas worse. Pero ayun, I'm happy na I survived yung half ng taon na to. Because, hindi siya madali, guys. Like, hindi siya madali. Sobrang daming napagdaan. Sobrang daming lessons, sobrang daming challenges, pagsubok, and all. And ngayong year na to, dito ko na-meet yung pinaka-broken version of myself. Ito yung pinaka-broken version ko. And, of course, dito ko rin nalaman kung gaano rin ako ka-strong. Kung gaano ko na-survive lahat ng yon. Of course, very thankful din ako sa friends ko and of course sa parents ko din na sa kabila ng mga challenges na napagdaanan namin lahat, nandyan pa rin sila for me. And ayun, before anything else, I just want to share some clips, videos na ginawa ko ng third year and sa summer na to, kahit di ako nagsummer. So, ito yung videos and clips mga nangyari ngayong third year, second sem.
Morning seeps through the bars and joins us by stirring sleep. The ghosts feeling bad. What if I make you pancakes, but you choose to skip breakfast? What if when you fall awake, you come to your senses?
Hi guys.
Hours pass on the hood of your car, so little is said. I wait for your arms, but you give your jacket instead. Am I at your disposal? You tell me I'm nice, but I know I'm only the hostel. So there's a house that
May pedya patient?
Yeah.
Yes. We do this.
since the first kiss goodnight. Said I stole your heart, you call me the thief. This love's but a newborn, so why does it bite? It hasn't even lost all its milk teeth. So why you already anxious?
Nakatawa ako. So, so yun guys, ayun yung mga, lang yun, konti pa lang yun. Pero grabe, sobrang daming times na nag-crash out. Halos nag-crash out na ako ngayong 7 months, ngayong 2025. Breakdowns and everything. And sobrang daming lessons. 7 months pa lang nakakalipas. Siyempre, mga susunod pang months. But I hope na hindi na siya ganun ka-bad. But na-enjoy ko pa din naman yung 7 months na yun kahit sobrang dark ng path ko nung 7 months na yun. Dami 7 months for 7 months. Ayoko maging emotional ngayon. But next week, sa August 4, internship na namin. So, etong video na to, itong vlog, last week of my summer vacation, kahit hindi summer vacation, before mag-start yung internship namin. So, and guys, natapos ko yung third year, as in, tapos positively, kahit marami mang rocky roads noon time na yon. Dahil sa thesis, dahil sa mga cases, redems, and everything, friendship and all. Pero yun, na-survive, luckily naman. Ayun. So, next week, 4th year. Occupational therapy student pa din. I-internship ako, guys. Andun pa rin ako sa Cavite. And then, ayun, I just want to share din na yun, iiyak ako. Daming realization na hindi porket na dumaan ka sa mga pinaka-lowest point, yung rock bottom, dapat mag-give up ka na. And dun na yung nag-end yung life and everything. Kasi dumating din sa point na parang ayoko na eh. Ganun, nag-give up na ako. Pero dun ko rin na-realize na sobrang laking tulong ng support system. Kaya yun, sa friends and of course sa family ko. Pinsan, tita, tito, parents, kapatid. I'm very, very thankful po sa inyo. Ayun, hinihintay natin. Tuloy na natin sa purpose talaga ng vlog na to, which is yung last week of my vacation before mag-internship as a 4th year occupational therapy student. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hindi nyo kasama ko, nagdo-dorm hunting kami.
Ito na yung first vlog of 4th.
So guys, ngayon nagdo-dorm hunting kami ngayon. For
4th year kasi
yes,
dito lang kami sa
Cavite,
guys. Buti na lang hindi ko nilalat po yung dorm ko.
Totoo. At ngayon, mas malapit ako sa mga friends ko. Kasi bawal pets.
Most likely bawal.
Pero ayun, okay lang malapit tayo sa friends. Yeah.
Hindi na siya malungkot guys kasi hindi na siya mag-isa, hindi na siya mamimidit na guys, matulog kayo dito.
Hindi, tsaka tawag doon, makakita sila ng bagong background.
Hindi na dilaw.
Hindi na dilaw. White.
Baka puti. Baka dilaw pa din.
Ay, wag naman, Tim. Hindi yun lang akong aesthetic.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about it.
Wala, nag-vlog din siya. Hindi, sasend ko to kay Eyo. Dalawa talaga yung camera namin ngayon. Gulo ng hair ko.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Pero hi vlog ni Eyo to guys.
So guys.
So, tapos na ang
Petition year. Pwede nang i-announce kasi petition year kami.
ito yun guys, magbablog lang ako pero babasa natin kay Eyo yung video kasi hindi naman talaga ako nagbablog.
So, kakatapos na namin mag-dorm hunting. And nakakita kami ng 3 pero yung isa hindi sure kasi may nauna.
Pero yung isa,
Ay, ko lang sila guys! Kapit-bahay sila!
magiging magkapit-bahay kami ni Eyo.
Remember used to drive out your car, I pick up whenever you call, in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone, I pull up at you and you draw. I can't help but get a move on, like you haul, and I know you like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide City, Slide City.
Hi guys. So I'm walking here sa Don Bosco. Harap ng Walmart Makati.
Slide City, Slide City, what that means.
Hey guys, so pupunta ako kasama yung friend ko sa Bambang. Bibili kami ng scrub suit. Hihi.
Isa-isahin ko pa man ang bituin, ikaw lang tanging hinihiling sa ating isang daang tula, parang isang pelikula na tanging ikaw lamang ang paksa.
Hi guys, job takeover as fucking usual. So dahil mabait akong kaibigan kay Jai at Eyo, pinuntahan ko sila kahit may date ako.
Tama. Anong motto?
Homegirls before baby girl.
Tinuturi ko o ang itinuturi nga
walking on sunshine.
Nakatawid na ako sa pedestrian na rainbow. Suddenly, I'm lucky.
So we're here. Nabili kami ng scrub suit. Kasi mag-i-intern na kami. 4th year. What the frick? Yeah. Pauwi na kami. Papuntang Arroceros Park. Magkakape. Wow.
Throwing petals like, do you love me or not? Head is spinning and it don't know when to stop. Cause you said forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on, hold on. You leave me on red, babe, but I still got the message. Instead of a line, it's 3 dots, but I can connect them.
Hey guys,
if it ain't right, babe, no perspective. But if you need time, just take your time, honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you than that. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Hi guys. So it's Wednesday na. Tama diba? Wednesday na. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, gagawin ko ng costume yung kapatid ko. Kasi nutrition month nila. So ito yung gagawin ko grapes. So tingnan nyo na lang later.
Gusto ka bang sabihin? Ba't di mo pakali? Di mo katingin, sana'y huwag mo na itong palipasin. Subukang lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin, na tunay kong mamahalin.
Ako gumawa niyan!
Sasabihin na hindi mo nadama ito. I've been playing out a lot of hypotheticals in my mind. I've been writing your name down next to mine. Been imagining all the things you had. I've seen all the possibilities in my dreams. You're alone when you should really be next to me. Baby, let's not wait and see. Immediate action isn't necessary. It's a fatal attraction, it's a little scary. But I got a plan of attack and I'll get it for someday soon. I know it. I got a plan A and I got a plan B. And if it's absolutely necessary, we'll do the plan C. Whatever I gotta do to be with you. I've been playing out a lot of hypotheticals in my mind. I've been writing your name down next to mine. Been imagining all the things you and I could do. I've seen all the possibilities in my dreams. You're alone when you should really be next to me. Baby, let's go wait and see.
Ikaw na naman. Kakatapos na namin mag-eat. Hey guys. We're now walking pa HSI. UMC actually. Kasi magpapamedical na kami for internship.
Nahuli kami mag-medical.
Kasi nga, diba, nabanggit kanina. Kasi kanina video. Yes. Ganyan yung girl. Uy, baka pagkama na yung jowa ko si Hana. Totoo.
Wala first. Ano ba?
Bye, guys.
There was something about you that now I can't remember. It's the same damn thing that made my heart surrender. And I'll miss you on the train. I'll miss you in the morning. I never know what to think about. I think about you. Did I fall out of line when I called you? When I told
Dito yun, no? Baka
Medical na kami guys.
yes. X-ray. Ako urinalysis pa, so babalik ako. Pero kasi dito naman ako nakarating. So, yeah. Pero internship na talaga next week. Okay. Yeah.
Ilan ka pa x-ray kami?
Yes. Perfect. Yan. Perfect tayo dyan.
let me back in. We can make it better, breaking every habit.
So, guys. So, magpapa-x-ray muna kami bago kami picture. Wala
pa si Kya.
Yeah. Pati si Franklin, hintay din si Kya. Napasa na namin yung results.
Ngayon, dapat na restaurant.
Nakita nyo? Asa na ba si Kiana Marie?
Yung nire-reply.
Kiana
Andrea.
Asan ka
Juliana
na?
Marie.
How do I tell you I'm still paranoid, surely?
Hi guys. Ito na.
How do I tell you that
Gawin natin 2 hours.
God.
I'm writing paragraphs to find the words to say? I'm such sure, but I need to get this way.
Hi guys! Alam, ganda ko.
Ay! Papapicture ako sa cellphone ko ginagamit ko i-picture yung sarili.
Hi guys, so dito kami sa PT room.
Wala, malungkot ako.
So guys, take 2 daw. Wow. Tayo sa PT room. Ayun sila. Nag-hi kayo.
Walang parking. Tsaka, like, pamotes. Walang...
Hi guys, we're on our way to Bermosa. Yay!
Oo, yan na yung ano.
Cause keeping you close shouldn't be hard if you were honest when you said you missed me. You played with my pride, making me feel like we had something real. Oh, making you stay shouldn't feel wrong. This is the last time I'll ask you to listen. I've played all my cards. Would you feel the thing
What's that?
you saw me?
Taralero. Hi guys, so now we're here. Nasa
We're still at Landers.
Landers, Bermosa. O, pareho lang naman yan.
Hindi, we're outside Landers. Kasi dun sa
Hi!
namin.
Say hi to the vlog.
Guys, single po si Ayo kung gusto niyo po.
Sim.
Drop down in the comment section.
Maghanap tayo dito.
Pwede naman. Ayun, no?
Sabihin mo Ayo, nag-YouTube ka.
Oo.
Tapos sabihin mo, can I get your for my YouTube?
Yung interview.
Post na muna natin to, ah. Say hi to the vlog. Sandok. Hey guys. Hindi pa kami complete. Kasi hinihintay pa namin sila Jill, Aya, and Poe.
Hindi ko maipaliwanag kung ba't marahil ikaw ang laging hinahanap. Sa pagising ko, ikaw ang nasa isip ko. Dahil kita kang sa panaginip, kasi ikaw ang iniibig ko. Ngunit pagising ko, ikaw ang nasa isip ko. Tingin kita kang sa panaginip, kasi ikaw iniibig ko.
Sa mukha mo.
Sabi ko, I see the galaxies and I look in your eyes and I can't speak, no, I can't speak, no. I swear this is your Aphrodite in disguise. I think that you can hide it from me.
May galit siya. Wala.
Di ko maiwasan na isipin ka. Tanong sa hangin mo, ako ba'y naisip mo?
Wow! Good job, guys!
Di mo ba hinihintay ang mga tawag ko? Sa'yo, 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 sa'yo. Ito. I like my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet, a little selfish. I like my women like I like my money. Green, a little jealous. Oh, I'm a beautiful man. Oh, I'm a heartbreak.
Ano yung mga kama sa buwan?
May wipes ka?
Space with you, calling on the lines I came to find. My fire was fake with you. My heart it will stay with you. Escape with you.
Weirdo!
Right.
Bye-bye, guys. See you next Friday.
I wanna be the one you think about at night, and I wanna be the one that you would put up a fight for. You know that I adore, that even when you're bored, I'll buy you anything and everything I can afford. Sana, sana naman ay
Hey guys, ulit ako sa
mapagbigyan at mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso ko'y sa'yo lang.